Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare delicious dal with raw mango. Now let's enter into our video. In a pressure cooker, add 2 glasses of toor dal and half glass of channa dal. Wash them thoroughly. Now add 5 glasses of water. For 1 glass of dal, I am adding 2 glasses of water. Pinch of turmeric powder. And just cook it for 3 whistles. 1 whistle in high flame, 2 whistles in low flame. Once the dal is cooked well, add salt to taste. Chopped raw mango. Use the mangoes which are very sour so that it gives a good taste. 5 to 6 green chillies. 20 garlic cloves. Pinch of hing. Mix them all together. Now again pressure cooker it for 2 whistles, that is 1 whistle in high flame and another whistle in low flame. Now just add the tempering. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Now our mango dal is ready. Serve it with a hot rice. It tastes awesome. Everyone likes to have this mango dal with hot rice and pickle. Check the description box for the mango pickle recipe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.